Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information. Well, it's almost time for summer, the weather's starting to get warm, so we're going to figure out my top 3 best man cave beer fridges for the summer this year. Now, first we're going to start off with, we don't want wine coolers. This is a wine chiller, okay? We don't want that. That doesn't get beer cold enough. It's not for what we want beer. Now, first you have something like this, okay? Which is actually a good beer fridge. Okay, it doesn't freeze it. It's basically just a fridge. Okay, you've got room for all of your beer cans. You can put a case, a little more than a case in there, which is not a bad thing. Okay, now second of all, we got something a little bit larger like this. Okay, that actually has, you got your beer here. You got to put some beer there. You can put beer there, and this actually has a little bit of a freezer, so you can actually, get some cold adult beverages other than beer to keep it nice and cold for you, which is actually quite well. But my favorite one is over here, okay, is this guy, okay? It has room for your beer down here. Got your little can rack on this side so you can keep it in there. You got room for fridge in there. And the nice thing about this one also is it's got a freezer. And this is actually a freezer, so it'll hold a small mug. And the best part about this, it comes with a microwave. So that way, we keep our pizza rolls in here. We got cold beer, pizza rolls. We can get our pizza rolls nice and warm, and we're good to go in our man cave. Okay? So, personally, if I was going to get something, I'm getting one with the microwave. Like I said, because you got the beer, you got your frozen mugs, and your pizza rolls, and you can heat them up in the microwave that comes with it. So, don't forget to come back next week for some more good information. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, and y'all have a wonderful week and stay safe.